Okay, so Google Takeout, you can either Google Takeout or use the URL takeout.google.com. You have to log into your account and you will get to this page. You can see that out of 58 services that I have with Google, 57 of them is selected. I can either deselect all or go deselect one by one. I'm going to deselect all and go down and only select the ones that I want to back up. So I want to back up my drive. I want to back up I know I use Google Photos if I have anything there. And then I use the service Keep a lot as my notes and Gmail. These are the things that I want to back up. If you have anything on YouTube, you can back up your YouTube information as well. And then click next. And in this page, it will show you, by default, it will send a download link via email. But if you want, you can ask it to add this to your drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or to a box. But I prefer to have it as an email. And you can either export it once or automate it. So every 2 months, it will send you an export, which will be only for 1 year. So every year you have to go back and redo this. It will come to you as a zip file because it will be a very large file. And this will be the size of your zip file. And you click export and it will do its job. It will send you a link after a while because there are a lot of documents there. So it will take a while and it will tell you that they will email you. Just in case you don't see the email or it doesn't come on time or like mine get lost in the mail, you can come back to this page and click here on show exports and it will show you the downloads that you had. I had 2 parts download. I did this for a test for you guys. So I can click here and download these 2 files. And here you have manage exports. So again, you will see the same thing and it shows that one export is on its way, which I can, I'm gonna cancel this because I did this yesterday. One thing that you want to pay attention, here it says that this is only available until March 2nd. So you want to make sure that you download your exports before March 2nd. Otherwise, it will be removed automatically by Google.